The idea of devil from the Christian, I wouldn't like to talk about it. But to let you understand that the issue when you say something is devilish is when you say it is negative, and it is from the concept of condemnation. There is no condemnation in Yoruba practice. I mean Yoruba Orisha practice. And I've just told you about the concept of dualism, the positive and the negative. Of course, there is the existence of what we call ajogun, which the Yoruba refers to as negativity, you know. But the ajogun does not necessarily mean that it is devil, as in the concept of the Christianity. But you know that the good, the bad, you know, those things work together. Yoruba says that tibi tire la daye, tibi tire. You have the morning, you have the night, isn't it? Dark and light. These are all the two together, and these two come together, and but what the Yoruba and what the nature also to balance it up. So constantly you remain in that constant struggle of balancing it, and that's what the Yoruba will tell you. With the wisdoms that I share, we said Kori inuma bato jeje will give you the clear picture of the concept of life with that is both positive and negative. And in that, you have to maintain that balance, that the inside should not, you know, destroy the outside. So you have to maintain that. So when the Christian come with the idea of devil and being negative, you know, and you see the colonial sentiment as they mop it up. You know, when they want to illustrate devil, they make it black. And when they want to illustrate their own good deeds, they make it white. You know, so but I won't talk about the concept of those colonialism that is there. But with us, it's the power that is all this power is in you as human, both the negative power and the positive power. At every point in life, you are constantly in struggle in trying to maintain this balance, and you also will know and you feel it when you are more of the negative. Your body feel it. And it gives you pains. And when you are in a positive, then you feel the joy. It is not natural. The naturality of it is that the two twin aspect energy dwells in you. And you are constantly, you know, in the interplay of it. So the concept, existence of life, of both negative and positive, and whichever name you want to call it in the physical, if you want to call it light, yes, it exists. If you want to call it darkness, it's cool, it exists. But all have its own power that sustain humanity and also sustain the spiritual world.